Hello, we are here today to see how to run the morning announcements here at Valley View now that they are computerized and use a green screen. The first thing you need to do is to open up XSplit, which is the software that runs the announcements. The application can be opened right down here. So you just want to click on the XSplit Broadcaster software and open it up. It should automatically log on. It shouldn't require any kind of login information. If you notice down here, it goes through this 10-second countdown. There's no way to get around that. And then you just click continue, and you're brought to the broadcaster. Now, if you look at the screen right now, it is not at 100% size. It's not as big as it is when we're running the actual announcements. I did that just because of the way this recording software works. When you are ready to run the announcements, if it is not already full screen, you are going to click View, Scale Viewport, and then choose Actual. I will do that right now, but we'll lose the top edge of the screen. But that's what you need to have in order to run the announcements. Okay, so this is kind of our logo screen. The paw print can just stay there. That white box around it will not show up on the announcements. The menu, however, if you right-click on it, you'll see that title is highlighted, and if you choose Configure, you can change the text and change what the menu options are going to be. When you've changed those options, and right now I'm not sure what the next lunch menu is, but I know it is not going to be that, so I'll just delete it so you can see the change. And then click OK, and click Away. You'll see the crawler down at the bottom has whatever you just changed that title information to. Now, to change to the screens where you're actually broadcasting and picking up the camera feed, you need to press Control 1. At this point, it's a fish background. Control 2 is another possible background. This one happens to be kind of the jaguar fur. Control 4 is another possible background. It's the fire truck from our 50th anniversary picture right now. But whichever background you are using, when you go away from this main logo screen, just be sure you know which background you're going to. Control 1 is the fish right now. That's what we used this morning, so I'm just going to leave it there. The auto-focusing that you see the camera doing right now, if you watch the flag and the microphone, you can see that it's attempting to focus on something. Part of that is because there's no person in the shot. Once there's a person in the shot, it should stabilize. And then you just run the announcements. When you finish, press Control 3, which is where our logo screen comes back to, end the broadcast, and then be sure that you turn off the DVD VCR that's controlling the signal going out to the TVs or projectors. That should be it. You can leave the software. If you want to put in the next day's lunch menu, that's always a good idea before you go. But basically, that's how XSplit software works. Thanks.